Here are some amazing facts about the honey buzzard. Scientific name, Pernis apivorus. Common names, European honey buzzard, or simply honey buzzard. Family, it belongs to the Accipitridae family, which includes eagles, hawks, and kites. Diet, specializes in eating larvae and nests of wasps and bees. Adaptations, has dense feathers and scale-like skin around the face to protect it from stings. Beak, equipped with a long, slender beak for digging into nests of wasps and bees. Migration, honey buzzards are migratory birds, traveling long distances from Europe to Africa during winter. Long migration, some honey buzzards can migrate over 10,000 kilometers 6,000 miles to reach their wintering grounds. Breeding range, found across Europe and parts of Asia. Wintering grounds, they spend winters in tropical Africa, especially in the sub-Saharan region. Insect diet, apart from wasp and bee larvae, they also consume other insects, including ants. Honey, despite their name, they do not eat honey. Mimicry, the honey buzzard resembles the common buzzard but differs in behavior and diet. Head shape, their head resembles a pigeon's, which is unique for birds of prey. Chicks defense, their chicks mimic the plumage of adult birds, providing camouflage from predators. Eggs, they usually lay 1 to 2 eggs during the breeding season. Nesting sites, prefers to nest in tall trees in forest nest construction. Both male and female honey buzzards participate in building the nest. Clutch size, typically lay 2 eggs, although it can be as low as 1 in some cases. Incubation period, the incubation lasts about 30 to 35 days. Chick feeding, both parents feed the chicks. Fledging, the young birds leave the nest around 40 to 45 days after hatching. Longevity, honey buzzards can live up to 25 years in the wild. Appearance, they have brown plumage with lighter underparts and distinct bars on their tail. Sexual dimorphism, females are larger than males. Molding, honey buzzards mold their feathers during migration. Juvenile coloration, juveniles have darker, more uniform plumage compared to adults. Eyesight, possesses excellent vision, enabling them to spot wasp nests from far distances. Hearing, though primarily reliant on vision, their hearing helps locate prey within nests. Defense against predators, their cryptic plumage helps them stay hidden from predators. Main predators, include larger birds of prey like eagles and some owls. Vocalization, they have a thin, high-pitched call. Silent hunters, unlike other birds of prey, they are relatively quiet during hunting. Foraging style, they dig through the soil or wood to reach wasp nests underground or in trees. Wasp nest raiders, honey buzzards use their claws to dismantle nests before eating the larvae inside. Immune to stings, they have partial immunity to insect stings, which allows them to hunt wasps. Habitat, prefers deciduous and mixed woodlands. Territorial behavior, they are relatively non-territorial compared to other raptors. Flight style, honey buzzards soar gracefully on thermals with broad wings and a distinctive flight pattern. Wing shape, their wings are long and broad, aiding in their efficient gliding during migration. Keen sense of smell, unusual for birds of prey, honey buzzards can detect the scent of wasp nests. Seasonal breeders, they breed during the summer months. Courtship displays, males perform aerial displays to attract females, including impressive spirals. Parental care, both parents take an active role in raising their chicks. Plumage color variations, there are light and dark morphs of honey buzzards, with some individuals being much paler. Mimicry of other raptors, some honey buzzards mimic other raptors in appearance to avoid predation. Climate influence, climate changes may influence their migration patterns and timing. Vulnerable to habitat loss, deforestation poses a threat to their breeding and feeding habitats. Range expansion. Honey buzzards are expanding their range due to changing climates and landscapes. Avoid human settlements. They tend to avoid areas with high human activity. Group migration. They often migrate in groups, especially during the autumn migration period. Gliding efficiency. Honey buzzards can glide for long periods without flapping their wings, saving energy during migration. Wind utilization. They make good use of wind currents to aid their long flights. Age at first breeding. Honey buzzards generally start breeding at 2 to 3 years of age. Solitary birds. Apart from migration, honey buzzards are generally solitary. Cultural symbolism. In some cultures, the honey buzzard is considered a symbol of focus and tenacity. Protected species. They are protected in many countries due to their declining population. Red list status. Classified as least concern on the IUCN Red List, but local populations may face threats. Nest parasites. Honey buzzards sometimes have to deal with parasitic birds like cuckoos. Feather patterning. Their underwing patterns are distinctive and can be used to identify individuals. Wingspan. They have a wingspan of around 135 to 150 centimeters, 53 to 59 inches.